Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, August 7th. I have to warn you that today, for some reason, there's a lot of helicopters above my house. So you may be hearing the helicopter noise, but I hope it won't interfere with our practices. Anyway, today's Zen story is titled The Fish Without a Shadow. The cat had seen fish before. Small ones, quick and nervous, flashing like silver leaves beneath the surface. But this one was different. It moved slowly, almost lazily, gliding through the clear water near the edge of the dock. And it had no shadow. The cat narrowed its eyes and leaned forward, peering closer. No outline beneath it, no dark shape on the stones below. Just a fish, bright, perfect, and floating alone in the light. The cat watched the fish circle again and again, each pass slower than the last, as if the fish were aware of being watched, as if it had come to be seen. A monk stood a few steps away, holding a bamboo rod loosely in one hand. The line hung slack over the water, the hook just beneath the surface, unmoving. The cat flicked its tail and crept forward, low to the dock, every muscle alive with something it couldn't quite name. Curiosity, hunger, or something thinner, like the edge of a dream starting to fray. The fish drifted closer to the hook. The monk's fingers tensed ever so slightly on the rod. The cat held its breath. Then, without warning, the fish turned and struck. The rod bent sharply, the line stretched tight. For one long moment, everything held in place, balanced between tension and release. And then the line snapped softly, as if it had given up. The fish vanished into the dark water. The dog rocked gently between the sudden emptiness. The monk lowered the rod, not with frustration, but with something quieter, a kind of surrender, like someone who had known the outcome all along. He turned and walked back toward the temple without a word. The cat didn't follow. It stayed at the edge of the dock, staring into the water, not searching for the fish, not waiting for its return, just sitting there, listening to the strange stillness it left behind. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body by arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What do you do with the things that come close but never quite stay? What do you do with the things that come close but never quite stay? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to stay with this reflection. What do you do with the things that come close but never quite stay? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.